today's Mother's Day and we're gonna make a surprise for Mummy. Yay! So this is what we're going to do. So we're gonna make a sausage and we're gonna put an egg inside the heart and we're gonna crack an egg. And we're gonna make some hearts. I actually don't know if this actually works. So we're gonna try to make a heart. Now we have made our heart. Look at this first, like that. Now I just cracked the egg in here. I think it's ready. Wow! We made some heart from the bread. It's so cool. Look at our breakfast. We got some tomato. We got our heart egg. And we got our heart bread. How cool is that? My mum is nearly going to be soon here. I got lots of things to do. I need to decorate the cupcakes. So I'm nearly finished. Whew. Here's my card. You can see some hearts right there. We also have a teddy bear to give with Mummy and some flowers. Look how cute this is, so cuddly. And it's so soft and the right size. So here's, then second is our flowers. I got yellow and pink, I guess. And I think she will really love them so much. Now it's the cupcake time. So let's open this. So, what do you have here? Now we got everything out, so let's put these cupcake thingies. Now let's put this in, all of it. Now let's get the egg. Let's crack the egg. Okay. Let's put the water in now. And now the oil. This is a little oil. Okay, so I think that's all. So I'm going to take turns with Markus mixing it. So the mixture is all done, okay? Now we're going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes only. That's not long at all. Let's get decorating!
No!
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Dad. Markus, well done, we high five. Ow. Okay, now let's put our flowers in. Beautiful flowers in my town. Okay. So then we're gonna sprinkle some this around. Oh. We are spreading the hearts now. Oh. Bear. Our bear and our cupcakes and also our hearts. Happy Mother's Day!